forest. Let's play together. Watch me fly.
Hello! I am Bill the Fox. I live in the forest.
My name is Rob the dog. I am so happy.
Hi, I'm Jenny the penguin. I'm very cute, but I'm always cold.
We are happy forest animals. We like to dance and have fun. Dance left and right. Dance together, what a sight. Clap your feet. Dancing animals are sweet. Watch our adventures, come and